ako like a ballpark figure for the amount. But come to think of it, pwede ang sa PSA nga document, so birth certificate, marriage certificate, so the paper would cost what? Around 150 each. So kung isa lang kabata, so tatlo lang sila, so around 500 din for the documents. Medical evaluation, so depende kung I'm not sure if how much ang fee for the medical, because there are series of tests that they need to do as well for them to have the medical evaluation. So let's say putang lang be around 3,000 for the medical, and then the site eval. So ang site eval, pag ang bata 5 years old and above, they will be required one. So for the child, I think but gabari siya, sir, no? So around 5 or 6 lang be for the child, and the same sa mag-asawa. So ang husband and wife, they also need to undergo the site eval. So putang tabi 15, mga around 25 plus the notarial fees for the petition, and syempre ilang mga pretty pagkadto sa pag-file lang nila. I think amo lang ginagawa, sir.
So, previously, ma'am, sa wala pa kita sa namusin ng program, mga pila ka thousand, hundreds of thousand, ang mga sakuna
sir, okay, may lawyers, so sir, may acceptance fee pala. I don't know what is the going rate or some 2020, but may mga pre-pandemic, I'm not sure if how much exactly, kaya vary man. I think our legal officer perhaps could answer.
I think the IDP could answer. Attorney Mel, the approximate ballpark figure if you file for judicial adoption before administrative.
Judicial adoption. Personally, I charge 150,000 for my legal fees, and that's exclusive of the appearance fee and all the expenses.
So, napo, gali ang difference.
Yes, sir.
So, at
It's
this
not
point,
even